Do you know using coffee for hair can promote faster hair growth, make them stronger, shinier, smoother? Coffee is an amazing ingredient that you can use to grow your hair, guys. Coffee is so great and it is so powerful to reduce hair breakage, hair loss. The hormone DHT in the body weakens hair follicle, causing a decline in hair production, which then leads to hair loss. Coffee directly activates cells in hair follicles by releasing the ATP, which is a molecule that carries energy and can combat the DHT, which reduce hair fall and make your hair stronger, guys. Coffee is so amazing. I am going to be showing you guys how to make your own coffee hair mask, which is going to promote faster hair growth, make them stronger, and also promote circulation to the blood, circulation to your scalp, which is going to increase hair growth, guys. So guys, welcome back again to Natural Growth Secret. If this is your first time here, you're welcome back, guys. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that red subscribe button to subscribe. In here we'll talk about natural hair, how to grow our natural hair using natural ingredients, guys. Hair growth tips, DIY hair growth tutorial using natural things, and a lot more, guys. So subscribe and turn on the bell notification. So for this mask, we are going to be using our instant coffee. So go ahead to grab your coffee, make sure it is pure natural organic coffee, and make sure this is an instant coffee. Okay, you can use any brand coffee of your choice, so that is the one that I'll be using. And then I will be using 2 tablespoons depending on how long your hair is or how full it is. This is enough for me because you actually need just a little to rub on your hair. So I'm going to be using 2 spoons full of coffee, and then 2 spoonful of our honey, guys. Honey moisturizes dry hair and scalp. Honey reduces hair breakage, restores shine, improve the condition of our natural hair, and honey also reduces frizz. Honey works well as a binding agent. This means that it is a good base to use for this hair mask. So the last ingredient we will be making use of is our olive oil, guys. Olive oil and honey both have moisturizing properties. Coffee combined with these two, if you have dry hair, then this mask is best for you, guys. So we are going to then go ahead to mix all this together. If you want a lighter consistency, go ahead to add more olive oil so that it will be more light. So this is the consistency that I want. It is going to be more smoother than this. So I went ahead to add in, I think, 1 more spoon of olive oil, making it 3 spoons of olive oil. And then I'm going to go ahead to mix everything together. Like you want to mix and mix till everything is well combined. Like you guys are going to see what I'm saying, because if you don't mix this well, the honey and the olive oil is not going to be combined together. And yeah, when it is thoroughly mixed, you guys are going to see what it looks like, because it is going to be super smooth and everything is just going to be falling off from the spoon, like as if it is drawing. I don't know how to explain this, guys, but you guys are going to see when it is finally combined together. applying this is what it's going to look like. As you guys can see, it is not just falling off from my spoon, it is dropping as if it is something that is drawing. So this is how you are going to know that the mask is thoroughly well mixed. Like, this is what you want to go for. As you guys can see, this is what it will look like. So if you want yours to be more thinner than this, go ahead to add in a little bit of more olive oil. So this is perfectly okay for me. As you guys can see, this is how it's looking, and this is what you want it to look like when it is dropping from your spoon. So it should be drawing, okay? So guys, this mask is super amazing. Like, go ahead to detangle your hair before applying this mask, and this mask does stain, okay? If you want, you can wear your hand glove. You can wear your hand glove before putting on this mask on your hair, because it's going to stain your hands. If you don't mind, you can go ahead to rub your mask with your hand and then wash it later. And then the cloth that you'll be putting on, make sure it is not white, okay? Make sure it is the cloth that you are no longer using, or the cloth that you normally use at home. Okay, so guys, this mask is so super good on your hair. Like, it is powerful. And again, I want to say, if you have dreadlock, you can use this mask as well. And if you have super dry hair, you are good to go with this mask, okay? If you have thin hair, if you're experiencing hair loss, you can go ahead to use this mask, because it has a lot of amazing benefits in so many ways, guys. So this mask is not something that will define your coils that much. It is just a normal mask. It is not a slippery mask that will define your coils. It is just a normal mask that, you know, treatment is just kind of a treatment mask. So go ahead to detangle your hair before applying the mask, and then when you apply the mask, you are going to leave it on your hair for at least 1 hour to let the treatment penetrate into your hair and do its works, okay? Go ahead to wear a shower cap, cover your hair for at least 1 hour before washing it off with warm water. After rinsing your hair with warm water, go ahead to wash your hair with shampoo and then condition your hair. Coffee really has a lot of benefits. It stimulates hair growth, it promotes hair growth, detangles unmanageable hair, it detoxifies the scalp, boosts blood circulation to the scalp, like a lot of things that coffee does. I hope you all enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Go ahead to like this video, share this video, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I will really appreciate. Thank you all so much for those of you that have subscribed. God bless you all and stay blessed, guys. Bye.